right, check this out. Today we have a little file cabinet or storage box. If you see it, this is actually a fireproof. It's water protective, and also included, you guys can see right in the front of it, there's a little combination lock, and this locks in the actual zippers. All right, so there's two zippers that go across the whole unit itself. Plenty of space for any of your important documentation. So say your house is on fire, you grab this file cabinet system and you run out with the little storage box. All right, you could drag it out. It has wheels. It has four beautiful little tiny wheels that and then not only that, you could lock them in place too, so you don't have to move it too. So very simple, easy. You can put your information here. If your house collapses or it's on fire and this survives, you could have your information right here. It's a see-through system, all right? And you could put in your card in here too also. Now, I like these two clips. You could carry it on. If you need to travel with it, easy. You could always collapse the whole system too. You remove the actual plastic frame, collapse the whole system into one little smaller unit. On top of it, there's more storage areas here in the back. So durable, definitely. And then these things, Velcro, these things need to be on set up, all right? Because this actually is the actual Velcro that seals it waterproof, right? So if you're looking at night for this box and you're looking with a flashlight, this will actually reflect. So any kind of emergency or through smoke, you can see this stuff. So they thought about it very well, how to put this whole thing together, and hopefully you'll never have to take this out of your house. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.